Hi, this is Rock. We're going to talk about the number value function. So a number of countries in the world, like Italy, Germany, Spain, use a comma as the decimal point instead of a period. In those cases, when you get a set of data where you need to convert it to use a period as a decimal point, you can use the number value function. So if I type number value and click on I4 as the reference, I can put in a decimal separator indicator. In quotes, I can put that comma and then close the parentheses and hit enter. And you see how it's converted this from a text-based 3,44 to a number-based 3.44. And then you can do that for all those. If you have a function like sum and you're adding this up, this will add, whereas if you try to do that here, it will not be able to add it. You could do it if you had number value this and then put that inside there, and it will do that. So number value is something you can throw into the middle of an equation, and that's number value. Next, we're going to look at text. See you there.